Hello everybody and welcome back to How We Make Things. Today we're going to be making this super easy outdoor pallet table. It took me about 15 minutes, drying time not included. So to start off with, you're going to need a pallet. I found one where the boards were close together, which would make for a good surface for an outdoor table. You want to make sure that it's treated properly so there aren't any chemicals that are going to kill you. Next we're going to take our pressure treated 4x4 and chop it into 4 18-inch segments. These will be the legs for a little outdoor table. Once those are out of the way, flip the pallet upside down and let's get to attaching the legs. I used two 2.5-inch deck mates on each of the legs. I pre-drilled first, just so that the screws would go in a little bit easier. You want to make sure that you're using outdoor screws, otherwise your legs are going to fall off before your table is even a couple years old, which of course isn't good. So once you're done with that, take that thing outside and let's apply a finishing coat. I had some leftover floor polyurethane, so I decided to toss that on there for a nice finish, and voila. Beautiful polyurethane table. Hey guys, and thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see a 90-second art video, go ahead and click right here. If you'd like to see a How Humans video, go ahead and click right here. And if you'd like to see another big DIY project, go ahead and click right here. You can also follow us on Twitter here. Here's our Instagram link, and you can also like us on Facebook over here. So once again, thanks guys, and I hope to see you in the future.